Alright everybody, so I just made a Tazer zapper thing out of a disposable camera circuit board, and I soldered just some regular 16 gauge wire with it right here. Soldered it to the circuit board where the flash goes, and then I have these two protruding wires right here that stick out. And what you do is I just don't think I'm forgetting it. I also electrical tape this just to keep it together. I electrical tape the cords together as well, just so they would stay together. So what you do is you actually press and hold the flash charge button about 10 seconds. It should be good. And then you just touch this to any metal. So yeah, pretty cool. Just made that. So yeah.